Since time immemorial, one truth has remained constant: the inevitability of change. Today, we live in an era where this change is not just constant, it's accelerating, reshaping the industries, societies, in the way we live in. In the last decade alone, industries have undergone monumental shift. Technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, data science, blockchain, and many more have disrupted traditional methods and introduced unparalleled opportunities. At Bambhari, our strength lies not just in our vision, but in the people who bring it to life. Our team consists of a diverse group of innovators, researchers, developers, and strategists, united by a common purpose: how to redefine what's possible. For startups, the journey from idea to execution is often fraught with obstacles like funding, technologies, and scalability. At Bambhari, our research and development wing provides the startups with tools and technologies, mentorship and guidance, and many more to overcome these obstacles and turn their vision into reality. Established enterprises face a different challenge, like how to remain agile and relevant in the ever-changing market. At Bambhari, we partner with those organizations to create tailored solutions that optimize operations, enhance decision-making, and future-proof their growth. The youth of today are the changemakers of tomorrow. At Bambhari, we invest in students, offering them real-world experiences through research and development projects. They are not merely academic exercises, but they are the opportunities to solve the real-world problems. Our work speaks through the impact we create, be it through advanced diagnostics that improve lives or innovative platforms. Our partnership with students, professionals, startups, and enterprises reflect our commitment to meaningful innovation. Behind every successful project is a team that believes in its purpose. At Bambhari, our people are our greatest asset. They bring their expertise, creativity, and problem-solving skills that turns challenges into opportunities. The world is changing at an extraordinary pace. At Bambhari, we believe that change is an opportunity, a chance to rethink, reimagine, and rebuild.